how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw vampire teeth. I've drawn a couple of videos on this channel of vampire teeth. This is just another version. This is going to be quick, easy for beginners, completely for beginner. If you don't know how to draw one, you will after this video. So stay till the end and you'll learn how to do this. Before I do that, if you love drawing Halloween, if you love the Halloween season, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I'm going to be posting pretty much every day until Halloween. It's a seasonal channel, and I won't be posting too much of the year, but it'll let you know for the next year when you subscribe, when I start posting videos again. So let's jump in, okay? So vampire teeth. Let's draw the smile over here. We're going to draw a line. Oops, this marker's kind of odd. Line over here on this side. Line over here on this side. Okay, that's for the sides of the, basically the sides of the smile of the mouth. It's not really going to be a smile. Well, it kind of is going to be a smile. You'll see. But these are the corners of the mouth, right? You want to mark that. I'm going to pull down. Down here. Okay. And I'm going to curve up. I'm going to curve up. Okay. It's kind of that cool kind of smile thing. I don't know where the lips go down on that side. It looks kind of cool, so that's why I like it. Down over here. Going to go over here and do the same thing. Down over here. Down there. Down there. Curve underneath, like so. Right on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw like kind of more or less like a straight line here for the division of the teeth. Straight line over here. But when we get to a certain point, we're going to change our approach, okay? And I'm going to tell you that in a second. Before I do that, don't forget, I put a free gift for you in the description. I put free Halloween drawing templates. The templates are essentially a page template of a how-to draw a certain drawing, right? It's a template for that. And I put 100 templates for free, 100% free, in the description for you. This was a product I was selling a year ago, but I decided to give it away free this year because the last year was really hard on people. So go check that out. It's the first link in the description, 100% free. You can download 100 templates. So, and they're easy to print. They're made to be printed. Okay, so let's get back into this. I'm gonna go over here. Right here, I draw basically a fang there. It's interesting, right? Because sometimes they'll have the fangs out front, right? Like one of the original Draculas was like that, right? He had like 2 fangs in the front. Over here. Okay. And I'm going to continue to pull this line across. Right on. I'm going to go over here to this side, and I'm going to throw a line there. The reason I want a line there is the teeth are not perfectly round, you know, like in the front of the face. They're not flat. They're round. And so as they round out along the side, there's going to be an open negative space over here on the side of that mouth, right? Just like your mouth, if you check it out. See, there's this, you smell this, usually it rolls back into that. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a little bit more of this tooth over here, right? And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl over the top, and have it kind of go into the gum. And I really want that there, right? Because that's kind of the most important part. And I'm gonna draw the top line of the rest of the gums for the rest of the teeth. But the rest of the teeth are going to be normal. So it's not quite going to be the same thing. And I'm going to do the same thing below. I'll pull a little more negative space out of that. And I'm going to pull very thin, right? You have to make your lines thin and connect them down there, right? But we're doing it all like you're putting less pressure on the marker or pencil. You're putting less pressure on it. I guess the pencil, I'm not sure if it matters because I think the pressure's fine. For a marker or anything with ink, that has a lot to do with that stuff. With like how thick the line is how deep you press it in here. Okay, you're gonna go over here to the top. And I'm putting a little bit of shadow that's falling on the gum line. Like so. Line here, line here. And I'm putting little imperfections in the teeth because, you know, we all have natural imperfections in our teeth. And I want to make our vampire feel, you know, at least the vampire mouth feel plausible, you know, like it's possibly real. And, you know, vampires are so cool in movies. And it's such a kind of distinct, it's so close to human, right? You think they could exist. So it's kind of just fascinating on that whole side of it. Alrighty. I'm gonna go, maybe I might put right here the lip, right, like so, because it's kind of moving around there. And then the top lip here, right, a bit of it. It's not connecting into it, but, you know, it's good enough. So that's it. I hope I'm going to put a line here, actually, on the side of the mouth, right here, thinner lines. So I hope you had a good idea on how to draw this. I tried to walk you through it very steadily. If you did like it, please hit the like button. If you're still here right now, you're great. Thank you. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and please share it with somebody that you think would really enjoy this video and would, you know, value it. I want to spread Halloween a lot more this year, and, you know, I'm really happy to do it. Thank you so much. You've been great, and I will see you in the next video, okay? So stay spooky.